We're gonna blow the airbag. 1, 2, 3. And they said this is one of the expensive engine they have in this shop at the moment. Welcome to another video. This is Azul from Azul channel. If you guys new to this video, make sure to subscribe, like our video. We're gonna show you a lot of stuff. I'm gonna show you something no one ever tried in UAE, especially in Dubai. There's a lot of spare parts, maybe more than 1,000. First channel in YouTube are going to show you these places, and there's more places to come also. So stay tuned. On the last two videos, I covered Toyota and I covered Lexus. So now it's time for the Germany. I'm gonna start with the Mercedes-Benz. So this place that they have only for Mercedes. So I'm going to show you a small tour on this place and let you show you what exactly they have. And end of the video, I will ask the owner to show me the most expensive part they have in this place. So stay tuned guys, and let's see what this shop is about. For those people who are new on this YouTube channel, please make sure to subscribe, like this video, and of course share to your friend as well. And let's start the video. People, I find the accident. So this was the accident. Because of this small accident, they did the full car, turn it to scrap. So now they are selling the spare parts. I thought they're gonna fix this much accident, but they couldn't. So that's why they decide to scrap this car. So this is the front of the S-Class. So as you can see guys, the place for the engine is really big, because this car comes with the three options: V6, V8, and of course the massive V12 engine. So I'm going to show you the engine side. Starting base, this is the 4-cylinder. As you can see, this is the small one. V6, as you can see, it's a little bit bigger than V4. And this is the V8. And this is most common they put on the Mercedes V8, and this is one of the best engine Mercedes they build. And this is the office they have. So what they do, they store most of the expensive or most the sensitive parts, like it's dangerous to store it outside, they store here. So there's a lot of headlights, there's a lot of navigation, radio system, and stoplight as well, and there's a lot of small computers. The owner of this shop is very good man, I like him. So I'm gonna give all the information of this shop in description down below, so make sure to check them out. So this is the place when they store their front bumpers and rear bumper and all plastic items. So those items always on the danger. Even a small damage, the first thing will be damaged. This is the front bumper. So let's check what they have. And this is one of the most powerful engine they have. This is E55, as you guys know. AMG stand for the performer in Mercedes. And this all engine, it's handcraft, hand built, and ask the owner, and they said this is one of the expensive engine they have in this shop at the moment. as you can see, this is the airbag and this is the side airbag, because the side airbag is very large. And I'll try to ask the owner if they could let me to blow one of this airbag. It will be very good. So let's see how the guys respond, and let's see if they're gonna let us. We're gonna blow airbag and show you guys how it looks. The owner was very good, guys, so he let us to blow this airbag, and this airbag is around like $100 US, but this guy's very good, so they let us to blow this airbag. So I'm gonna show you the process how it works, because the airbag have so much power and pressure, so that's why we lock it here, so we don't want to be any damage. And from here, this is the main wire, so we attach it to this long wire, and of course we're gonna blow with this his own Mercedes small battery. So we're gonna blow the airbag. So as you can see, the setup, I have one camera here, and this is the airbag. So we're gonna blow with this wire which attached to the process. So we show the cord this side. 1, 2, 3. This was the end of this video. As you can see, we just blow this airbag as well. So there's lots of idea I have in my mind. So please stay tuned. If you're not subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe, and please write on the comment section what exactly items you want us to blow up or make a video for which brands, for which car and which scraps. So thank you so much. And